Good morning, children. Welcome to the next part of the lesson. In the previous class, we studied 7 important characteristics of living things. What are they? Movement. Living things move. Respiration. Living things breathe. Sensitivity. Living things respond. Growth. Living things grow. Reproduction. Living things give birth to young ones. Excretion. Living things send waste materials out of the body. Nutrition. Living things take food. Among them, today, let us learn about the movement and reproduction. Let us see what is movement. Why do we move? See this. What is happening here? A road roller is crushing the car. Did the car escape? No. But here you see what happened. See in this second video. Here is a car and a police is talking to somebody in the car. Meanwhile, see the second car. Oh, the car hit the car, but he ran and he escaped. What's the difference? In the first video, car is living thing, non-living thing. So it didn't move. In the second video, since the man is living, he ran and escaped. So why do we move here? We move here to protect ourselves. So in defense. So living things move. Living things move. See, like this. Yes, they move. And in movement, there are different types of movements. All living things move. They move for safety. We human beings move. We move for food. We move into shelter. So like human beings, some animals like horses, they move. Sharks, they move. Falcons, they move very fast. What are the fast moving animals? Horses, sharks, falcons. What are slow moving animals? Tortoise. See the spelling. Tortoise. Okay, children. Tortoise. Yes. What is the spelling? Snail. Nattagulla. Tabelu. Tortoise is tabelu. Snail. Snails move slowly. Sea stars move slowly. So here I show you different animals move in different ways. A deer walks or runs on a land. Animals, they move differently. Some animals walk and run. See the dog, it is running. A deer walks. Cow walks. Goat walks or runs. Giraffe. Oh, lion running. Lion, cat, running. Some animals crawl. Pakuti kada? See what are the animals? Alligator, crocodile. Caterpillar, it is crawling. Worm, earthworms and all, they crawl. See lizard, it crawls on the wall. Snail slowly crawls. See here are animals that are hopping and jumping. Kangaroo. Rabbit hopping and jumping here and there. Frog hopping and jumping. Grasshopper. See here are some animals which swims. Do you know animals that swims? Yes, fish. It is swimming. Seahorse. It lives in water. It swims. Dolphins. It's a whale. Whale swims in water. You also know dolphins. This is jellyfish. Jellyfish swims. Octopus swims. See, beautiful animals for you. This is dolphin. Dolphin swims. And some animals flies in air. A bird, seagull. It's a bird. Birds fly in air. Bat. Bat fly in air. Butterfly fly in air. Honeybees fly in air. Owl, gudlaguba, it flies in air. Dragonfly, tummeda, it flies in air. Okay, children? These are movements. Some animals walk, some animals hop, some animals move fast, some animals move slow, some animals swim, and some animals fly in water. Okay, children? So now see the video. Can you think of one animal that moves in a different way? Name any animal from the video and describe how it moves. Can you write? What are different reasons that animal move? One answer is given: to search for food. One more reason we have seen in example: to escape from dangers. I already told you, to find the shelter, to change their places. Okay, children? Even plants also move. Have you ever seen a sunflower, children? Yes, sunflower moves in the direction of sun. And all plants move towards the sun and roots grow towards the soil. So plants also can move. The next character is reproduction. What is the next character? Reproduction. What is reproduction, children? Producing young ones of the same kind is called as reproduction. Who gave you birth, children? Your mom gave you birth. Is it not? So living things make copies of themselves. Copies. మనం ఎట్లా ఉంటాం? చక్కగా మన పేరెంట్ లా ఉంటాం. So we are copy of a parent. How is a puppy? It's copy of dog. Okay? So giving birth to young ones is called as reproduction. Reproduction. Different animals reproduce in different ways. What is reproduction, children? Giving birth to young ones is called as reproduction. Living things can make copies of themselves. So they can produce young ones of their own kind. Repeat with me. Living things produce young ones of their own kind. That means man will give birth to a baby. Cat give birth to a kitten. Dog give birth to a puppy. This is called reproduction. See here, a mother gave birth to a child. So this is reproduction. Man can reproduce. See, a buffalo giving birth to a calf. This is reproduction. Cat gave birth to kittens. Again, this is reproduction. See the calf drinking milk from the buffalo. Goat, it has given birth to its kids. Dog with its puppies. Very fine. Now you understand what is reproduction? Tiger, lion, deer, giraffe, elephant. Okay, children? Now, do you know, children? Some animals Here all the animals reproduce by giving birth to young ones. This is one type of reproduction. I will show another type of reproduction. See the hen? Will it give birth to young one? No. It gives eggs and the egg turns into chicken. Similarly, duck, birds. So these reproduce by laying eggs. Fish lays eggs, frog lays eggs, tortoise eggs. All these lay eggs. Birds, insects, fish, frogs, tortoises. From the eggs, they gives rise to young ones. Similarly, plants reproduce through seeds. Let us see
Birds
how plants reproduce.
or
See direct birth. This is direct birth. We have seen the animals which lays eggs. See here plants, papaya seeds. What do we do these seeds? We plant in soil. They gives new plants. So plants reproduce by seeds. And some plants are there which reproduce through stems. See one example in your studio book. It is potato. Potato reproduce from its stem. Sometimes we cut rose plant stem and we plant it. It grows into a new plant. There also stem helps in reproduction. And children, there is a plant species called as fungus. Fungus. In plants, there is a special type of plants called as fungi. This fungus is a living thing. It is a living thing. That is not an animal and not a plant. మీరు ఈ ఫంగస్ చూశారు. ఎక్కడ చూసుంటారు? బ్రెడ్ చూసారా అమ్మా? బ్రెడ్ తడిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? దాని మీద ఫైన్ థ్రెడ్స్ వస్తాయి. దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాము? బూజు అంటాం. ఈ బూజు ఏమవుతుంది కొన్ని రోజులకి? ఇట్ డెవలప్స్ ఇంటూ డార్క్ కలర్. ఫస్ట్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ యాజ్ వైట్ and next it becomes dark. These are nothing but spores. So ఒక చోట స్పోర్ వచ్చిందంటే మర్నాటికి బ్రెడ్ అంతా స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతుంది. ఎట్లా అంటే దిస్ ఫంగస్ రీప్రొడ్యూస్ త్రూ స్పోర్స్. ఫంగస్ రీప్రొడ్యూస్ త్రూ స్పోర్స్. ఓకే. Mushroom. Have you ever seen a mushroom? Yes, mushroom is a fungus. What is mushroom? Mushroom is a fungus. Some fungus and some ferns. I hope you see a fern plant. Otherwise, I will show you in class. Ferns reproduce by spores. So which are the plants? Which are the living beings that reproduce through spores? Fungus and fern. Is it clear, children? Some animals reproduce by giving birth to young ones. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. Some plants reproduce through seeds. Some plants reproduce from stems, root or leaf. I'll just show you a leaf which reproduces through leaf, okay? A plant in which leaf reproduces. And there are living structures called as fungus and ferns which reproduce through spores. Now I'll show you a leaf which helps in reproduction now.